Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching another day with A, and today I figured I'd do something a little bit different because my skin is in dire need of it. I think I'm gonna do a face scrub. Yeah, why not? So it sounded like a great idea to me, so let's head on out. Let's get out of this bathroom I'm always filming in and head to my kitchen. Are you coming? Come on, don't just stand there. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Alright, so my first ingredient is going to be honey, second is ground cinnamon, and the third is going to be brown sugar. Now these are great ingredients because most people already have these in their cabinet at home. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with my honey, and I'm going to just put it in a bowl. You know, no specific ratios here, just whatever works for you. I have a big head, so like that's how much I'm going to use. But anyway, I'm going to put it in the microwave and I'm going to let it microwave for about 20 seconds. If I were you guys, I would do about 10 because it was kind of hot. Like, you want it to be more liquidy than thick. As you can see, the texture has changed. But yeah, you definitely want to make sure it's not too hot for you. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is just add my cinnamon, stir it up. And now I'm just going to add my brown sugar. Be careful, I poured too much. Well, there was a clump in there, as you guys can see, so I just took that out. But this is where you get the scrub part from. This is what's going to give you like that scrub, that exfoliation that you need. Alright y'all, so now I'm just in my bathroom again and I'm taking a warm washcloth and just going to moisten my face. I found that when applying these, masks and things like that, typically it's easier application when your face is a little bit wet. Okay, so now it's been about 10 minutes and the mask is ready to come off. It was super sticky on my face. So right here I'm just using warm water and circular motions to exfoliate my skin. Alright, so rinsing it off, I'm just going to be patting my face dry, and I was admiring my skin because you guys, it looks pretty good. You should definitely check this mask out for real. I'm going to be moisturizing with 100% African shea butter. African shea butter is known for getting rid of acne scars, so that is great. And right here, I'm just showing you guys what my skin looked like. It looks really good, you guys. I hope you guys check this mask out.
Bye bye everyone. Yes, guys.